Hi everybody, welcome back to TJ's Homestead. I'm the T in the Homestead. Today we're going to make Mama's peach pies. They were very good and very easy to make. I got the biscuits. I got homemade apple pie in a jar and my butter for the top. So let's get started. Oop. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of these biscuits, if I can get them out. Just pull that out. Okay, put a biscuit there and put a biscuit there. Turn them over on the flour and we're going to roll them out as thin as you can. This is the way we make our biscuit. Okay. Not perfect, but we're going to take some of the apple pie filling. We're going to put it in there like that. Then we're going to take it in and we're going to fold it over and we're going to pinch this pie together. That's why it's called a peach pie, because you pinch it together. She had cute names for all the stuff she used to make. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to make her zucchini bread recipe out of dehydrated zucchini that I did last year. Everybody seemed to like the zucchini, so we're going to make some of that in a couple of weeks. Show y'all how it's done. All right, get my pan over here. I'm going to need another pan. All right, the pans have already been sprayed. Okay, take a couple more biscuits. I'll get another pan out real quick. Not a lot of them. Set you guys there. All right, let's get started. Get them as thin as you can. That's the key. All right, that one's good. Here's another one. My mom was one of the best cooks around. She grew up through the Depression in a big family. So she's pretty good at how to make good stuff, not having to pay a lot for it. She can make the best chicken and dumplings. And I can talk my husband into it because he likes making them. We'll do a video on Mom's chicken and dumplings sometime. Be good for dessert tonight. Kids will be surprised. There we go. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch. There's 8 biscuits in here, and there's only 5 of us, so somebody's going to get a treat. They'll get a extra. Let me see if I can do the rest of these. There we go. Start with this one. Set this out of the way. Give me some spray. Got this ready. All right, let's see what I can do here. I'll put it over there anyway. All right. Come on. As many as you can get. very good. Put him over there. All right, biscuit. There we go. The apple pie filling I made myself and canned it. So, pretty good. They like it. That's all that matters, if they like it. Okay. I almost took a full jar. Pinch, 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 pinch. Fold it over, pinch it, 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 pinch, pinch. Fold it over, pinch it, fold it over, pinch it, fold it over, pinch it, fold it over, pinch it. There we go. I'll bake these 350 degrees until they're brown. There he is. You hear my pet rooster, Clyde? He's a little bandy rooster. In case you're new to the channel, we're weird. Yes, Clyde. Come on in here and say hello to everybody. Don't be shy. Okay, we got that all done. We got some melted butter. And we're going to do the top. Come in here, Clyde. Clyde. We have a bunch of chickens outside, but my husband got attached to that one because he's really pretty and he's like a baby, really small. So he lives in the house. My husband's responsible for cleaning up after him because I really don't like the idea of a pooping machine being in the house. But husband does a good job of keeping him cleaned up after him. He's just not very good when you want to sleep in the morning and he's doing that. Anyway, I'll bake these at 350 and when they're done, I'll come back and show you what they look like. See you in a minute. Here we go. Hi guys, welcome back. My pies are done. I'll show you what they look like. Be nice and golden brown. There's one pan. Here's the other one. Those were very easy to make. My mama used to do them for us on the afternoon when we went to visit her every week. She'd make something different, and these were one of them. We helped her make them. They're very easy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. See you next time.